Hello all, let us today see the method of reduction of order to solve a linear differential equation. Let us deal with one question based on this. Question is solve by the method of reduction of order bracket d square minus 1 bracket close y equal to x cube. Solution. Consider the equation d square minus 1 operated on y equal to x cube. We call this as equation number 1. We see that the associated homogeneous differential equation will be d square minus 1 operated on y equal to 0, and its auxiliary equation we see is m square minus 1 equal to 0. So roots of this equation are m is equal to plus 1 and minus 1. So the associated homogeneous equation will have solutions e raised to x and e raised to minus x. We have to choose any one out of this. So we take y1 as e raised to x. So this is the solution of the associated homogeneous differential equation. Now to reduce the order of the differential equation, we put y is equal to v into e raised to x. Here y is a dependent variable which depends on x. Similarly, v is also a dependent variable depending upon x. Let us differentiate this with respect to x throughout. So we get y dash is equal to v dash into e raised to x plus v as it is. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Again differentiating this, we get y double dash is equal to v double dash into e raised to x plus v dash into e raised to x plus v dash into e raised to x plus v as it is into e raised to x. So throughout we got this to be v double dash e raised to x plus twice v dash e raised to x plus v e raised to x. These values let us put in equation 1. So we get v double dash e raised to x plus 2v dash e raised to x plus v e raised to x minus v e raised to x equal to right side is x cube. So very immediately we observe that this v e raised to x and v e raised to x are getting cancelled, and we are left with v double dash e raised to x plus 2v dash e raised to x is equal to x cube. This is our equation. So there is no term in v. So we can call this v dash as some other variable. Here we put it as w, and its derivative will be w dash means v double dash. So we will substitute this here in equation 2, which becomes w dash into e raised to x plus twice w into e raised to x is equal to x cube. Let us divide throughout by e raised to x so that we get w dash plus 2w is equal to x cube e raised to minus x. Now this is a linear differential equation. Dependent variable is w, independent variable is v. So we find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e raised to integration of the coefficient of w, that is 2, with respect to x. So integration becomes 2x. So integrating factor is e raised to 2x. And the solution of this linear differential equation becomes w into integrating factor is equal to integration of the integrating factor into the right hand function with respect to x plus constant of integration. So we are getting w into e raised to 2x equal to integration. E raised to 2x is the integrating factor that we replaced, and x cube e raised to minus x was the function on the right hand side, so that we have taken, and integration runs with respect to x plus constant of integration. Thus we are getting w into e raised to 2x is equal to x cube integration of x cube e raised to x dx plus c1. So we have to go by parts. X cube being the algebraic function, it is given first preference, and e raised to x is always given the last preference. So first function x cube as it is, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integration of e raised to x, we have written here e raised to x into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square dx plus c1 equal to x cube e raised to x as it is. 3 has come out of the integration, and again we have to run the integration by parts. So it is first function x square as it is into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integration of this particular function we got, we replace it here, and derivative of x square we have written 2x again with respect to x and plus the constant of integration. Now after opening this bracket, we are here x cube e raised to x minus 3x square e raised to x, this minus 3 into minus 2 makes it plus 6, and we are running now the integration by parts. X as it is into integration of e raised to x, we have written e raised to x minus integration of e raised to x into derivative of x, that is 1, and with respect to x plus the constant of integration. Thus we are getting w e raised to 2x equal to x cube e raised to x minus 3x square e raised to x plus 6x e raised to x minus 6 times this integration is again e raised to x plus c1. So w was the derivative of v, so we have recalled it. dv by dx is equal to w, and we divided throughout by this e raised to 2x, so that the right side becomes x cube into e raised to minus x minus 3x square e raised to minus x plus 6x e raised to minus x minus 6 e raised to minus x plus c1 e raised to minus 2x. So in the first 4 terms we find e raised to minus x is common, so we have taken it common, and now we are getting, this was dv by dx, so this is a variable separable form of differential equation. So after integration we will get this as v equal to integration dv equal to integration of this particular we have taken common. So e raised to minus x common, inside we are left with x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6, and with respect to x plus c1 times integration of e raised to minus 2x dx plus c2. So again we perform integration by parts. This bracket is an algebraic function, so will be given first preference. So we get v is equal to the bracket as it is into integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x upon the minus 1 minus integration of this function, whatever we got here we are just putting it, and derivative of the bracket was 3x square minus 6x plus 6, and integration runs with respect to x plus c1 as it is, and the integration is e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2 plus constant of integration. Then this minus, let us absorb here, we got minus of this bracket times e raised to minus x plus this minus and minus have turned plus. Again we have to perform integration by parts. Bracket being algebraic, we keep it as it is. Integration of e raised to minus x again becomes e raised to minus x upon minus 1 minus integration of whatever we got here we are putting, and the derivative of this bracket is 6x minus 6, and the integration runs with respect to x. Further, this c1 upon minus 2 is a constant, c1 is a constant, so the ultimate result is again a constant, so we are calling it as c1 dash e raised to minus 2x plus c2. Now again we open the things, we take this e raised to minus x common and see what we get. This was minus x cube, minus of minus plus 3x square, then minus 6x plus 6 e raised to minus x plus. Again here, this minus we have absorbed. So it becomes minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 times e raised to x. Minus and this minus 1 make it plus. This algebraic function we are treating it our first function. So first function as it is, integration of e raised to minus x makes it e raised to minus x upon minus 1. Subtraction, integration of again e raised to minus x upon minus 1, and derivative of this bracket is 6 with respect to x and the remaining two terms as they are. Again we see that plus 3x square e raised to minus x and minus 3x square e raised to minus x, they get cancelled. Minus 6x e raised to minus x and plus 6x e raised to minus x again get cancelled. 6 e raised to minus x and minus 6 e raised to minus x are also getting cancelled, and the remaining things we are collecting. So minus x cube as it is. This bracket is still there. Again there is minus 1 we have to take care of. So this minus 1 along with this bracket makes it minus 6x plus 6, and e raised to minus x we have taken common. Now we have to just deal with this integration. This minus into minus makes it plus, and integration of e raised to minus x becomes e raised to minus x upon the minus 1, and the remaining two terms as they are. So this is our ultimate value of v. Putting back this value of v, we get our y. Y was v into e raised to x. So we multiply throughout by e raised to minus x, plus x. So e raised to minus x and e raised to plus x, they cancel each other's effect, and we are getting y equal to minus x cube minus 6x. This plus 6 and minus 6 has already gone off. So let us cancel it at the same, yes, this is getting cancelled. So we are only getting minus x cube minus 6x plus c1 dash e raised to minus x plus c2 into e raised to x. So this is the complete solution. We better know, in the beginning itself we mentioned that e raised to minus x and e raised to plus x are the solutions of the concerned homogeneous equation. We have now just to verify whether this part is a solution of, is a particular solution or a solution of the given equation completely. So let us verify this. We can verify very easily. Our equation, homogeneous equation is del 2, actually just a minute. Okay, this is only the verification part. We take y is equal to minus x cube minus 6x. Its derivative will be minus 3x square minus 6. Again its derivative is minus 6, and we put it in the given equation's left hand side. So d square minus 1 operated on y. So y double dash we are writing minus 6x. Then we wrote minus y makes it plus x cube plus 6x. 6x getting cancelled, we are back with x cube, which was the RHS of the given equation. So we can very easily say this equation is getting satisfied by this result. Means this is the particular solution. Thus, the complete solution is y equal to minus x cube minus 6x plus constant, arbitrary constant times e raised to minus x plus arbitrary constant times e raised to plus x. This is the complete solution. Thank you.